Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome, everyone. In this session, we'll look at the role of AI in improving Net Promoter Score in a call center. AI is no longer just a support tool, it's a game changer. From an operational standpoint, AI streamlines processes, reduces errors, and helps agents work more efficiently. From a customer experience perspective, it powers smarter routing, real-time assistance, and personalized interactions that reduce effort and build trust. And from a financial lens, AI lowers costs, increases retention, and ultimately drives revenue growth. In short, AI strengthens the entire call center ecosystem, helping us deliver faster, easier, and more consistent service that translates directly into higher NPS. Let's start with one of the most impactful applications of AI, call routing and intent detection. Using natural language processing, or NLP, AI can analyze a caller's words, tone, and sentiment in real time. This allows the system to detect not only what the customer wants but also how they feel, creating smarter, more personalized routing decisions. Through predictive routing, customers are connected with the best-suited agent, not just whoever is available first. The system looks at agent skills, past resolution success, and availability to ensure the customer lands with the person most likely to resolve their issue quickly and effectively. And with priority handling, high-value or at-risk customers can be automatically routed to top-performing agents, ensuring they receive the highest quality service. The impact of all this is clear: lower customer effort, fewer frustrating transfers, and faster resolutions. And when customers experience smooth, efficient service, they're far more likely to become promoters, driving NPS higher. Next, let's look at how AI supports self-service through virtual assistants and chatbots. With conversational AI, routine queries like password resets, order tracking, or account balance checks can be resolved instantly without human intervention. This means customers get answers right away without waiting in a queue. Another big advantage is 24/7 availability. Even outside of business hours, AI-powered assistants can handle requests, giving customers quick resolutions when they need them most. This reduces frustration and keeps service levels consistent. The impact is twofold. First, customers experience shorter wait times, which leads directly to higher CSAT and NPS. Second, agents are freed from repetitive tasks and can focus on more complex issues, improving first-call resolution and overall efficiency. In short, self-service powered by AI creates faster experiences for customers and higher quality interactions for agents, both of which drive stronger loyalty. Another powerful application of AI is in real-time agent assist and knowledge management. During live interactions, AI guidance can provide agents with instant prompts, whether it's the next best action, troubleshooting steps, or relevant policy details. This reduces hesitation and ensures the customer gets accurate information right away. Behind the scenes, a centralized AI-powered knowledge base works like a smart assistant. It searches through FAQs, historical cases, and manuals in seconds, surfacing the most relevant answers so agents don't waste time digging through multiple systems. The impact is significant. Customers benefit from faster, more accurate resolutions, which directly boosts loyalty and NPS. At the same time, consistent service quality across all agents strengthens brand perception, making every interaction feel reliable and professional. In short, AI doesn't replace the agent, it empowers them to deliver better experiences every single time. Now let's explore how AI enables sentiment analysis and proactive intervention. With voice and text sentiment detection, AI continuously monitors the customer's tone, choice of words, and even pacing to identify signs of frustration, confusion, or anger. This insight allows us to understand customer emotions in real time, not just after the call is over. When negative sentiment trends are detected, supervisor alerts can be triggered instantly. Managers or team leads are notified during the live interaction, giving them the chance to step in, support the agent, or even take over the call if needed. The impact is powerful. By intervening early, we can prevent detractor creation, turning a potentially negative experience into a neutral or even positive one. And by acting proactively, we strengthen customer retention efforts, showing customers that their concerns are heard and taken seriously. In short, sentiment analysis gives call centers the ability to act before dissatisfaction turns into churn, protecting both NPS and long-term loyalty. Another way AI strengthens NPS is through predictive analytics and trend forecasting. With churn risk prediction, AI analyzes historical patterns like repeated contacts, low CSAT, or frequent escalations to flag customers most likely to become detractors. This gives us the chance to intervene before loyalty is lost. AI also supports root cause analysis. By digging into detractor feedback, it identifies recurring issues, whether it's long wait times, product glitches, or confusing processes that consistently drive down NPS. Fixing these systemic problems ensures continuous improvement. The impact is twofold. First, lower detractor percentages because risks are identified and addressed early. And second, higher promoter ratios because decision-making is data-driven rather than guesswork. In short, predictive analytics helps us not only react to problems but stay one step ahead, turning insights into action and action into loyalty. AI also plays a critical role in workforce optimization and training. Through AI-powered coaching, call recordings are automatically analyzed to identify patterns, such as where agents struggle with empathy, product knowledge, or resolution steps. Instead of generic training, AI recommends targeted coaching that addresses specific skill gaps. At the same time, performance dashboards powered by AI track NPS trends at every level, agent, team, and channel. This makes it easy for leaders to see exactly where improvements are needed and provide coaching with precision. The impact is clear. With better skills, agents create fewer negative interactions and deliver more confident, empathetic service. That leads to higher first call resolution, stronger customer loyalty, and a higher NPS overall. In short, AI doesn't just monitor performance, it builds stronger agents who deliver better experiences. Finally, let's look at the financial and strategic benefits of using AI to improve NPS. First, higher NPS directly reduces customer churn and increases customer lifetime value. When customers stay longer and are more open to upselling or cross-selling, overall revenue grows sustainably. Second, with more promoters in the base, we see reduced acquisition costs. Satisfied customers become brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth and lowering the need for heavy marketing spend to attract new customers. And third, AI-driven improvements like higher first call resolution and proactive interventions mean fewer repeat calls. This directly lowers operational costs, creating a leaner, more efficient call center. The bottom line is clear. Improving NPS with AI doesn't just enhance customer experience, it delivers measurable financial gains and long-term strategic advantage. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.